Got a really weird combination brake. I'm getting ready to fix. Anyway, so this is the before shot. We'll see you, like Bill Lambeth says, we'll see you on the other side. All right, I got this chip under a vacuum. Let's go to pressure. Quite large, but I'm trying to do this one without drilling. Nice being able to do this indoors. That leg right there kind of worries me. Might try to go to the inside and massage this one. Sometimes with windshield repair, you have to do this. You have to use different techniques. I sure do like the cork technique though. It's feeling really nice. Gonna make sure we get it all the way to the edge. Anyway, let me do some work. So this one actually has two brakes, so I am curing the first one, and then I'm going to go back and once this cures, I'm going to go back and drill and fill the other brake. All right, so I got that little 2-leg secondary chip filled. Curing it now, and I guess I'm going to start my cleanup. Okay guys, got it finished, and there was the big one and that was the small one. So that's what you can expect from a chip repair from CE Rock Chip Repair. 505-322-5149. Give me a call if you need service. Okay, have a good day.